So, here we have the ingredients for the making of the Rocky Road, and we have twice as much chocolate as we need, unfortunately, but undoubtedly it will at some point get eaten. So somehow we have to melt the butter, the golden syrup and the chocolate in this pan without burning anything, and we will do it with the aid of some boiling water. So we divide up the chocolate into manageable sizes. Having divided up the chocolate, we can put the chocolate into a pan and then we will melt it over the boiling water. So hopefully this will melt the chocolate without burning it in any way. So here we are stirring the chocolate above the boiling water, and it doesn't seem like it's burning yet or anything untoward happening, so the prospects at this moment of having edible Rocky Road seem good. Alrighty-ho, what we are going to do now is we are going to pour the chocolate into this other pan and try not to get too much of it on the work surface, and then over a gentle heat we will be able to melt the other ingredients. So we melt the butter, the golden syrup and the chocolate over a gentle heat. So here we put 200 grams of biscuits, which is approximately 2/3 of the packet, into the freezer bag, and then we are going to bash them up with the rolling pin. This is how a biscuit feels getting bashed in with a rolling pin. It shows some aggression to those biscuits. We don't want one biscuit left alive in that packet. So here we have bashed the biscuits until they are mostly crumbs, but still with pieces of biscuit remaining. Look at those beautiful biscuits. What we need to do now is fold the biscuits into the mixture. So off we will go with the folding of the biscuits into the mixture.
Do I just put it in?
Yeah. And then you fold it. That's what it says in the recipe. It says fold it. So we will do some folding of the biscuits.
You can do that bit.
Okay, I can do that bit apparently. So here we go with the folding, and this is just a little taste, and we'll come back in a minute. Okay, and here we go with the biscuit mixture. I think it's pretty much fully folded into the chocolate, and we've got a certain amount of texture going on, and I think that would be good for the next stage. Here we have a bag of mini marshmallows, of which we need 100 grams to put into our mixture. Okay, 100 grams of mini marshmallows. Mini marshmallows in the mix. And on the floor. So that's 142 grams. And 100 grams exactly of mini marshmallows go into the mix. And so we will mix those in. I shall come back when it is mixed. The mixture proved quite difficult to mix in the pan because it kept coming out to the top, so I have been mixing it into a bowl, and I think it is now probably adequately mixed, I would say. So, in the hope of achieving a satisfactory result, we will pour some chocolate on top of here. I don't think we have enough chocolate to completely cover it, but there's no reason why it should not taste exactly like Rocky Road is meant to taste, even if it is, as I said, a rocky road to disaster. Actually, at this point, it doesn't look too bad. It could convincingly pass for Rocky Road on a dark night in suburbia. So, I am now fairly optimistic about the results of the Rocky Road, and they can go into the fridge. It can go into the fridge and set, if I can find space in the fridge. So, now we investigate the Rocky Road. The recipe says
How much should I cut
that
it?
this can make 24 pieces, but I'm just going to have a small piece because it looks a bit sickly to me.
You just said that.
And so we turn the Rocky Road out of its container onto the board so that we can appreciate it in all of its wonderful wondrousness. I'm not so sure about the upside downness though. Never mind. I'm going to cut off a bit just from down there. Right. Okay, so here we go. Here we go. Here is the test of taste. I declare this project a success!